Okay, here we're going to look at the topic exponents and signed fractions. We'll do a few examples. First example, let's do negative and then in parentheses the base 1/5 to the 4th power, and then in the second example negative 2/3 in parentheses as the base squared. So you might remember from the topic exponents and integers that if the negative is not in the parentheses, you don't repeat that negative the number of times you have that exponent as. So what I'm saying is here the base is 1/5 to the 4th, the negative is on the outside, so the negative is there's just one factor of the negative, but I have to repeat the 1/5 4 times. So it'd be like 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5 4 times. So a faster way of maybe doing this is realizing, hey, I got to multiply 1 to itself 4 times and 5 to itself 4 times. So it'd be better off maybe written like this. It'd be a negative 1 to the power 4th and 5 to the power 4th, which would be negative 1 times itself 4 times, just stays 1. Then 5 to the 4th might be easier done like this. If you have 5 times 5, that's 25. And then 5 times that 25 would make 125. And if you multiply 5 times 125, I think that's 625. So that would be my final answer here. Now, this one, negative 2/3 squared, the negative is in parentheses, so it does mean negative 2/3 times another negative 2/3. So you could just multiply across. Negative times negative makes positive 4 on the top. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3, 9. That's it. Another way of doing this would just to be negative 2 squared on the top and then 3 squared on the bottom. Negative 2 squared being 4, 3 squared being 9. So another way of getting the 4/9. Let's do another example since they're short. So let's say I have negative 3/5 to the 4th and then negative 5/3 in parentheses to the 3rd. Okay, well, so let's take a look here. Here, the negative's on the outside, so I'm going to leave the negative here, and I'm going to kind of jump right to raising the numerator 3 to the 4th, and then the denominator 5 to the 4th. Now remember, the negative is just on the outside. I'm not applying that exponent to the negative. So my final answer will have a negative in front. 3 to the 4th is 81. 5 to the 4th is 625. So that would be my answer here. In this case, the negative is on the inside, so I can raise the negative 5 to the 3rd in parentheses because the negative here is in parentheses, and then I can raise the denominator 3 to the 3rd. So negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5, 3 times is negative 125. 3 times 3 is 9, times another 3 would be 27. So this would be a negative 125 over positive 27. Good luck. I hope this helped you.